Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the education after finishing class 10th examination or after finishing the class 10th level education. Which stream do you need to select, or for selecting the stream in class 11 12 or after finishing the examination in class 10th, uh, the question this question comes to in your mind that which stream you need to select for future studies and for future career options, career scope and your future studies. Both are considering here to select a scope to select a stream that you like to study in class 11 or 12. So today's discussion is about how to find out the right stream for you, because after completing 10th level of education in India, we have to select any one of these three streams. Either you have to study in the science stream, or you have to study in the arts or humanities, or you have to study in the commerce field. So out of these three streams, you must have to select one in order to continue your education in 11-12 level. So the question is that in 11-12 level, which stream is suitable for you? This is a big question, big decision making question. Which stream is important for you? So look at the streams that are available here: the science stream, arts, humanities and commerce. And in science stream you have to study mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry, computer science, IT, electronics. In arts, history, political science, sociology, psychology, philosophy. And in commerce, accountancy, business studies, economics, income tax and marketing, etc. These are not the total list of the subjects. I am just making a short list of subjects that are studied in commerce field and arts field and science stream. Okay, so these are the subject list that are present in each stream: arts, science and commerce. Now these three streams and what are the subjects that are present in these three streams, that is well. But to determine that which stream is for you, you have to consider three things that I think that these three things are the most important things that you have to consider before taking your stream. So let us understand that three factors, that three things that you must need to uh, understand or must need to analyze before you taking this any streams between science, arts and commerce. Before selecting any stream, you have to think these three factors. For decision making that which stream you should need to choose, first point is your past performance. Your past performance is very important for selecting a right stream for you. If you see that in class 11 12 or in class 9 10 or 7 8 level, you are you are getting above 70% in physics, chemistry, biology and math. So in this subject, if you find that you got at least 70% marks in physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics in class 7, 8, 9, 10. In these classes 7, 8, 9 and 10, if you got at least 70% marks in physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics, then your past performance in science is good. So you can take science, but after analyzing your past performance, you have to know your interest, which subject or which field is you are interested, your interest. The first considering factor that which stream do you need to select, first is your past performance. Based on the performance that you made in class 7, 8, 9, 10, you can make one decision. This is one decision making factor. Another important factor is your interest. Your interest is very important. Suppose you have a question in mind that speed of light, if you if you can easily remember these things, that I studied that speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and I am interested to study more about light. Or you love to learn DNA and RNA. You love to learn that DNA, what is DNA and what is RNA, and what are the structures of DNA and RNA. Then you have interest and you have a good marks in class 7, 8, 9, 10 level. That time you take science. That time you can take science only. So first point you have to consider is your past performance. In the past classes you got at least above 70% marks in physics, chemistry, biology, and you have interest in the scientific study, then you can select science. Okay. Next point is your marks in physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, etc. and all other subjects. You scored at least 70% marks, but you are not interested in science field. So that time you cannot take science. Your parts in the first time you got 70% marks in physics, chemistry, mathematics, but you are not interested in the studying of scientific subjects or scientific field. So the science stream is not for you. Then you have to choose either commerce or arts. Each subject has good scope. Okay, so the first two things that you keep in mind, that before selecting stream, you have to keep in mind that your past performance, your interest in the field or in the stream, and the third thing is future scope or career scope for higher studies and jobs. So these three are the main factors, I think, according to me. These three things are the main factors that you have to consider before selecting your stream, because after selecting stream you cannot change the stream. You can change the stream, but the problem is that if you uh, change the stream from science to arts or commerce, etc., one stream to another stream, that time you lost some times. Okay, so it is important to keep a good decision or to take a good decisions before taking any stream. Otherwise, what you feel that you have to change the stream, you have to study other subjects because you are finding some difficulties. So for this reason, before selecting the stream, you have to choose your stream wisely. As a result, you don't require to change the stream at any point of the time in class 11 or 12. So for this reason, your past performance means your result that are obtained in class 9, 10 level. Your interest means that you are interested in science field or arts field. Arts field means generally history, geography, political science. In that field, if you have interest, then you can find the arts field as your career in class 11, 12 level. And if you find that you understand well the business studies or accountancy, then the commerce is best for you. Okay, and one of the important thing is future scope. If we look at the future scope of each branch, as for example science, class 11, 12, after studying science, you can go for higher studies, and then job or professions. Higher studies, you can do BTech, you can do BSc or MBBS. These are the major field of science. After completing class 11, 12 level science stream, you can go for higher studies, BTech, BSc, MBBS, and the profession is doctors, engineers, then jobs in different industries. So this is the this is applicable for the science stream. After studying 11-12 science, you can move for the higher studies like BTech, BSc and MBBS. And BTechs are generally perform in different subjects like BTech in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering. And BSc, you can find the BSc honors, BSc general for some subjects like chemistry, food science, nutrition, physics, etc. So in from class 11-12 science stream, you can go for higher studies and jobs. And commerce, if you studied 11-12 in commerce stream, then higher studies you can do BCom honors, and you can do CS company secretary, you can do CA chartered accountant, CFA chartered financial accountant, cost accountant, etc. So these are the higher studies opportunities after passing class 12 and in commerce field. And here the professions are generally accountants and managers and means commerce field. In the commerce field, these jobs are connected in the investment banking, insurance. So these are the fields for the commerce student at the future when they have higher studies opportunities in BCom honors or professional degree like CS, CA, CFA, and after that they would got job, they will get job in as an accountant, as a manager, investment industry, investment field, banking field and insurance field. So these are the scopes for the science and commerce. And one important thing that you can note it, that science field, after studying the science field in 11-12, you can also do these options. Okay, we can also do this commerce options and arts. After studying class 11-12 in arts, you can, after studying class 11-12 in arts, you can pursue higher education in BA honors, journalism, journalism and law and media science. So in this field, after completing class 12, you can study BA honors, journalism, law, media science, etc. And after completing the higher education in this field, you got job as a teacher, journalist, news reader, etc. So these are the field for an art student after completing the arts degree in class 11-12, go for higher education, and after higher education they can go for the jobs and professions in this field. I am saying it roughly. Okay, so the important thing that you can note here is, after studying class 12 in science level, students can also take higher studies in the arts level also, but the commerce student cannot take BTech or BSc in the higher studies. They can migrate to the BA or the higher studies in the arts field, but they cannot move to the BTech level. They cannot move in this level, but they can move here. Okay, after studying class 11 12 commerce, they can move for the higher studies in arts field, and they can go for this field. Okay, but from arts student it is very difficult to migrate to the higher studies or jobs in commerce field and the science field. So for art student, these are the options as job options, and these are the higher studies options. So one thing you have to note before decision making, before the making of your decision, that which field you have to study in class 11 12, that all fields have some opportunities. All fields, science, arts and commerce, all fields have opportunities. You don't need to think about that science field have science field give better opportunity, commerce field gives less better opportunity, or arts field is not giving us any opportunity, or very very limited number of opportunities are not. All fields have some opportunities. So the most important thing before selecting the stream in class 11 12, you have to understand that what is your past performance, what is the future scope, and what is the interest. Your interest is the most important thing. At first you think about the interest and your past performance. After that you can select your stream with the future scope, combining with the future scope, that which is your dreams. This is very important, dreams. So every person, each and every person like to dream for something, dream for certain thing. So this is for you, that dreams are also one important factor here. If you already decided, already have some dreams, then you select the respective field for completing your dreams. And don't forget that you you have the energies to complete your dreams. Okay, so you work as hard as possible to complete your dream, and select your stream in class 11 12, and complete the 11 12 course with a good marks, good academic record. And after completing class 11 12, study in the higher studies in the respective fields. Choose there which field is important for you in the higher studies, and after that you go for the profession or jobs. So that is the discussions I wanted to discuss this matter, that what is happening after class 10, because the mind is a mind of students and guardians. Both are in the confusion state, some times, that which field they need to study, which job or which career, higher studies, in higher studies which type of courses they need to take or complete. So there are several questions about this. So I am just trying to show you the opportunities that are in the future for job and business, and what are the opportunities for the higher educations, and the change of the field, which field which field study can be changed in future. So these are the main discussions topic. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, then give a like, and to to watch this type of more videos like subjective videos, because I am giving coaching classes on the science and chemistry topic, you know that you can subscribe this channel and can watch the all other subjective videos also. If you are in class 11, then you can find a number of videos. If you are in science stream, then you can find a number of videos from the science stream, and you can watch these videos from the from this channel.